Vertical live streaming is the new way to grow your YouTube channel heading into 2026. YouTube's putting a big focus on vertical live streaming right now, and for good reason. And here are a few of the key advantages. Firstly, your stream appears on the Shorts feed, which means more eyes on your content a lot faster than you would normally in the horizontal format. It also shows up in a vertical live feed, reaching viewers that enjoy live streams but don't want to watch in the traditional horizontal format. And last but not least, it's formatted specifically for mobile viewing, which is perfect when you see that most people these days tend to scroll through content quite quickly on their phones. They could be scrolling the Shorts feed, stumble across your live stream, hang about for an hour, drop a sub, maybe even drop a super sticker or chat. In this video, I will show you how to set up a vertical live streaming using OBS, the YouTube studio settings you will need, and also how to set up a second stream key in YouTube, just in case you wanted to a dual format stream in both horizontal and vertical. Makes life a little bit easier. So on that note, let's head into the tutorial. So first off, you want to head into OBS. You see my OBS is a very vanilla OBS compared to my normal OBS, which is over on the other screen. And you can't see because I'm using to record this video right now. Now, there is a couple of ways to do this, but the easiest way, if you just want to go live vertically, is to change your canvas size to 1080 by 1920. That'll basically flip your canvas the other way around. So to do this, you first want to come down to settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to head to video, and then you've got your base canvas resolution. Now this is what you want to change. Now quite simply, just type in the resolution you want. So 1080 by 1920. And you want to make sure the output scaled resolution again is 1080 by 1920. And then 60 frames per second if you want to, or whichever suits your setup. Then all you need to do is click apply, and you'll see now the canvas, when we go back to the full screen, has now gone into vertical format. So once you've done that, you just add your scenes like normal. So right click, add scene. Let's say gaming. Okay. We've got the scene, add your source, again, as per normal. Let's go video capture device. Let's go webcam. We haven't got a webcam connected, so this may not actually do anything. Oh, I have USB video device. I do have a webcam connected. Yay. So we'll put that in, and let's just put the webcam over there. You might see a dog appear in there. You may not. Then you want to add, let's say, a game capture. Obviously, we don't have any games running. So just capture specific window. Boom. And then your game in the middle. And then at the bottom, let's add a image. Boom. And then we'll just browse. Okay, we just use a headliners image. Screenshot from when we played headliners. Just drag that to fill there. There we go. So just add your scenes like normal. You'll end up looking something like this. This is just a demonstration. So that is how you set up the vertical live side of it. So the next bit I'm going to show you is how to log in to OBS with YouTube. I believe we're already logged in with YouTube on this one. So we come back down to the settings. So you head back down to settings, head to stream. You can click YouTube RTMPS and just log in with your account, and jobs are good. And as you can see, we're logged into Blind Creeper Plays Call of Duty. That account does not exist anymore. Well, it does, but it's not used. But you can connect to any YouTube account, and you are done. You're away you go, off you go and stream. Absolutely fine. What I am going to show you is how to set up a second stream key for if you want to do a dual format stream to both vertical and horizontal. Now let's jump over to YouTube Live Studio. Now, if you've seen my how to schedule a live stream video, you will be familiar with this screen. That video will be linked up in one of the corners. Go and check that out after the stream, and then you'll have a little bit more in-depth into what this screen actually means. So what we want to do, we want to create a new stream key. So what we need to do, we need to head to stream key. You can see now I've got one called vertical. This is my vertical stream that goes out simultaneously with my horizontal stream. And it's the same content, exactly the same thing. It just gets spread to further places via the two different formats. You want to click on create new stream key. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with this screen, which is to create a new stream key. So you want to give it a name. So let's call this one vertical 2, because I already have a vertical one. Add description, optional, vertical key. All spelt wrong, I'm not bothered. Leave it on RTMP default, and basically go create. And then what you'll see what you'll see now, we've got the stream key as vertical 2. So that'll go out on a separate stream key to your default one, and you can create multiple stream keys to however many different sort of streams you want to go to. Now what you need to do is take your new stream key and put it into OBS. And I'll go through how to manually input an RTMP stream key into OBS with you in a second. First off, you want to copy the stream key and you'll want to copy the stream URL. Obviously you can't do that at the same time, so you want to do one at a time. So we'll copy the stream key first and head back into OBS, which is where we are now. We'll go back into your settings, and then you want to go to stream, where it says YouTube RTMPF. You want to go to custom. When you're in custom, you can input your stream key, copy it and paste that into there. Then we'll head back to YouTube, grab your stream URL. And then once you're back in OBS, you want to put your stream URL in server. So just copy that in there as well. And then simply click apply. And that is it. You are now ready to go live vertically on YouTube. And there you have it. Everything you need to set up a vertical live stream on YouTube. You don't need any special hashtags or extra settings. As long as you format your OBS canvas to 1080 by 1920, YouTube will pick that up as a vertical stream straight away. Again, it is really just that simple. If this video has helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel so you see more tutorial content. But also, if you like gaming, we do live stream games here too, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget, before you go, please check out the other video that will be up on screen now. It's related to this one. And from me to you, take care and goodbye.